Hello, my dear children. Hope all of you are fine. Today, we are going to take a new chapter, that is chapter 16, Water, a Precious Resource. All of us are familiar with this term, right? Water. Every year, March 22nd, we celebrate that as the World Water Day. We know water is very precious. Water is one of the basic need of human being, right? So in this chapter, we are mainly going to focus on water and its importance and what is the need of conserving water. Shall we start? Okay. Children, we all know that water is very, very important, right? Water, which is known as a precious resource, because once we continuously use it, there's a day where we lose water. Because you imagine, in our day-to-day activities, we use water. We can't even think a single day without water, right? Every year, as I told you before, March 22nd is celebrated as the World Water Day. We celebrate this day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. We use water for different purposes. We use it for all the purposes like cooking, drinking, washing, cleaning, etc. So, we can't even imagine a day without water. But we know in some places what is the condition of water, the availability of water. Now, look at these posters. What does it indicate? We discussed at some places the condition of water. What may be the condition? We know at some places there is an acute shortage of water. Water shortage has become a matter of concern, right? Before we go deeper into the content, we'll see how much water is available. We already discussed that water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. That is the condition. So first we have to know how much water is available. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Almost all the water on the Earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwater and in the atmosphere. However, most of this water is not fit for human consumption. That is, the water which we can use for our needs. The water that is fit for drinking or other purpose is fresh water. So the amount of fresh water, the availability of fresh water in the Earth's surface is very less. Even though we are seeing water in different, I will explain it with the help of an activity. Now you can see a bucket with water, a cup, a glass, and at last a spoon containing water. Here it indicates, the bucket indicates, that is the water left in the bucket represents saline water present in the seas, oceans and partly as groundwater. And in the spoon, the water which contained in the spoon indicate or it represent the water which is fit for drinking, that is fresh water. Imagine this is the condition of water available in the nature too. That is, we can see water around us, but the amount of fresh water which we are getting is very less. I hope you can understand. The amount of water which we can use, that is the fresh water, the availability of fresh water is very less. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than 1/3 of the people in the world could face water scarcity. Because we all need water for our survival. Now we know that the amount of water which is available is very less. In our country, not only in our country, in the world, in many places, people are getting very less quantity of water. So in future, there's a chance we don't get water. So it's our duty to conserve water for a better future. Conservation of water is very, very important. We know water is one of the basic need of human beings. Not only human beings, all the animals, even plants. But the way we conserve it is very important. So in this chapter, mainly we are focusing on the importance of water, how can we conserve water, etc., etc. I hope you understand. Thank you.